Вопросы американской жене про таджикскую Гахвору.
Да. Промис, ту фикр мекуни ин барои чи аст?
I mean, it looks like a smoking pipe, but...
мегӯяд ки ин як мисли трубаи хеле сигаркашӣ аст. Yeah. So this is a system for a baby to put a pee, and then the pee comes over here, you know? What do you think this is?
To catch it.
Yeah, to catch the poop and the pee, you know?
You don't just change the diaper?
No! What do you think this is?
Do you put it inside? Like you hold it?
Good job! What do you think this is? Oh. No.
Is it like a soft padding around?
Oh, this is for tying the baby. So legs, the body. What do you think this is?
Yeah, it's a cover to like make it dark.
No, this is a parda, curtain, to keep the baby in a shade.
Darkness, yeah.
What do you think this is?
A baby crib.
Yes, but it's called a Gahvora.
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 It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like a royal baby.
Вот и мы, короче, объяснили промис, что это Gahvora. Барой хами хамай пштисари мой хали пчхаем. Спасибо всем большое за ваше внимание.
Thank you so much.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm the mother of a boy.
Wow!
Поздравляю! 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 Congratulations!
دوستانی عزیز، چیزی که شما دیدید فرزندی آینده ما پسر می شود. چاچاق!
We're having a boy!
Yay!